see a simple example here. We are going to write C++ program that reads radius, calculate, and display area of circle. We need to read a radius here. We calculate and display area of circle. And as you know, in area of circle, we need to use constant pi. Do you understand? That pi is kind of constant because its value is already defined and cannot be changed. So let us see how we can develop this program. Yes, as you see, this is a structure of C++ program. These are headings and also return 0 after execution. So let us develop our program. So here let us write in comment that is C++ program that calculate and display area of circle. Area of circle. This is what we're going to do now here. And first step is just to define our constant, right? Yes. And remember that we should start with const keyword. This one. Then we should now use data type. Since our pi is fruit. Since our pi is decimal numbers, we should use double here. Remember about data type. We should use double, then our variable is pi now with its value. Remember that this constant should be initialized once it's declared. That's why we should also give it value here, which is 3.1415 etc. Let us do like this one. Do you see? This is how we can define our constant, right? Which is const keyword, data type, variable name with its value. Do you see? Then after this, we need now to continue our program. We need now to make initialization of our radius, right? Int radius. Let us give it like 5, like this one, but also we need area. Do you see? Double area. What we're going to calculate. Then after initializations, let us now calculate our area, right? Then you know that area of circle is equal to what? Remember, is equal to, it's just pi times radius square. To me, it's radius times radius, like this one. Do you see? Yeah, then with semicolon, but better you can just use this braces like this one, then here, and with this semicolon like this one. This is the general definition or formula for calculating area of circle. Just pi times radius square. Radius square is equal to radius times radius. Now after this, we can just now print out our area by just using out statement. Out area, or just this one, area. Let us use small letters. Area is equal to then our area here. Do you see? With just a semicolon like this one, but here I can just put space here, right? So this is our program to calculate and display area of circle, right? Yes. Now let us learn it. First of all, we should now check whether it's saved or not. Let us change its name. It's now area. Then save it as area here. Then you can now make comparison here to check whether there is some errors or not. Actually, there is no error. Let us now learn to check for an output. Do you see? This is our output. See now, area is equal to 78.5397, to mean that this program takes radius square, which is called 25, then times 3, you will get this one, right? Times 3.1415 and 9, so you will get this one. You can just verify by just using your calculator, but this is a correct answer. This is how you can develop C++ program to calculate area of circle, since you need to use this pi as constant. So for example, let me show you how this constant cannot be changed. For example, once you know that in C++ program you can update a variable, right? But are those normal variables? But now we are going to use this constant. Let us try to change it and see what we will get. You can just write our pi now equal to like 5, because remember we already defined our pi as constant, meaning that this should be error because our constant cannot be changed. Let us save it and run it to check whether we get this kind of error. Let us make compilation. You see, automatically you should get a error here saying that assignment of ready only variable pi. Do you see? You can't update this pi since it is constant. So here we should get error saying that you cannot modify a constant like this one. Cannot modify a constant. Yeah. So this is how constant works in a C++ program. If you are here, don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues so that they can also learn with us through GOO Coding Academy. And if you have any question or idea, please don't hesitate yourself. Let us know in the comment section. So thank you. See you in next lesson. In next lesson, we will see now how to use that second method of just preprocessor directive. So see you in that lesson.